Hello guys, what's up? I hope you all are well. My best wishes with you all. In today's video, I will show you guys a simple 2-minute sleek bun which is inspired by Kendall Jenner and Hailey Bieber. So without wasting any time, let's start to the video. As you guys can see, I recently took a haircut. Now with the help of your claws, you will untangle your hair. The key is not to brush your hair too much. Now I'll simply do it like this 2-3 times. I didn't fast forwarded this video so you guys can see exactly how I am doing here. Now repeat the untangled process as it's needed. Now we will be needing a huge claw. This is the secret of this entire bun, that you must be needing a claw which is tight and we must be having a very nice grip. So this cute claw, golden claw, is by Mini, so you can get any claw which is available in the market and which is tighter. Now you will simply uplifting your hair a little bit. I'm like turned around so you guys can see easily. So I've taken my hair, like securing them in my hand like this. Now I'll be like lifting my hair a little bit so it can give a cute bun look and uplift look. Now you'll be taking the claw and like it's shown in the video, you will secure your hair vertically to the upward motion and then you'll be like securing all of them in the claw. So it's simple, it needs some practice. I will be showing this again in this video so you guys can actually see how it's done. Now I'm taking my hair from the front to bottom so that it looks a very nice and sleeky look, just like Kendall Jenner. Alright, so I'll be showing you guys this step again. You don't have to worry, just relax, practice this 2-3 times. You will be doing this again and again. Okay, so starting again, take your hair up again, lift your hair from the front, take your claw and then again in the vertical motion and then voila, you're done. Just vertical motion, put all the hair in the claw and like rotate your hair and then plug it again and you're done. Just easy. So it's the final third attempt, you guys can see, and it's done. Now you guys have noticed that Kendall Jenner and Hailey Bieber mostly do the front partition. They divide their hair from their hairlines are like totally divided into 2 sections. So that's how I'm also dividing my hairline into 2 sections. And then I'm gonna flip my hair from top to bottom like this. Gonna curl them or straighten them. You guys can do anything which you like and you're done. I'm rotating and I'm showing you that these are the final results. My hair are jet black right now. If you guys have streaks or highlighted hair, it will look bomb on you. Trust me with this. So I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up. Do follow me on my Instagram channel, which is Thbd. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.